Attack for the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Claps, me say me have a piece of attack claps to drop on only you see. Me couldn't go my bed, Me say me couldn't go my bed, my wisdom warriors. Me did have to drop this pan uno. Then uno no know say the PNP them walk out of House of Parliament. After the opposition side want to voice their opinions, the House Speaker, the Senator, the one who in charge when time Juliet Oldness she not there. Tom Tavares now with for him bright self my wisdom warriors. I tell the man boy no, the man can't go further. The man want voice in opinion. You know what the man for voice in opinion because the whole of them India tell lie. The whole of them India tell lie my wisdom warriors and want come past bill and think say people are fool about ya. So PNP said they're not having it. So true because PNP call them liar, that are the problem. Taking this.
But then again, it is the nature of the government to say nice things. To say things that people feel good about. But in reality, nothing happens. So if you say it will save life, then, well, let me see if there's any change this week from last week. Because last week, we passed this earth-shaking bill to change the enactment clause. And when I look at this bill this year, and the bill last year, the act last year that is changing, it has the same enactment clause. And for the public purpose, let's read what the enactment clause says. Be it enacted by the King's most excellent majesty.
One minute. No, Senator Brown.
What?
You know that you
No, President, let me...
No, because you see you're talking new.
My wisdom warriors, you see how Tom Tavares a behave? Like a basic school, You see how him a behave? The man know what I talk about in my wisdom warriors. The man know what I talk about. Because how you fear pass this a pass law and Governor General no look pan it as yet. How you fear change the constitution, come in a parliament, pass it and Governor General no look pan it yet. That no make no sense. And a side figure. Remember say Governor General is the one that approve it. So how comes uno come and a change? Me just not understand it. How comes una change everything, pass the law and Governor General no look pan it yet? It just not make no sense, my wisdom warriors. So what the man say, it is true. What the man say, my wisdom warriors, it is true, but them a liar. The JLP, them a liar. They don't want Jamaican people know the truth. They don't want us to know the truth.
Talking about, no, I'm addressing you. You're talking about the enactment clause. And you're on, yes, because he's on social media with it, He's not here, so alone him talk about it, Same write a thing on social media and say, wait until I come here to deal with it. And you, yes, he write it on social media and say, watch me and them. I'm not saying anything illegal, but I'm not doing anything illegal, but I'm pointing out to the public. Section 61 of the Constitution of Jamaica says, a bill shall not become law until the Governor General.
You finished, President?
I am about truth and informing the public, not misleading people. Well, I am participating in it. I am participating in it because I am participating in it because it relates to the Senate. No.
truth exists, and what is done cannot be undone.
Freedom is slavery.
Freedom is holding on to memory, to truth. From the age of Big Brother, greetings.
A bill. A bill. Yes, I did. A bill shall not become law until the Governor General has assented thereto in Her Majesty's name and on Her Majesty's behalf, and has signed it in token of such assent. The bill that was passed to change the relevant clause has not been consented to by the Governor General, and that is why the bill that you are having in your hand here has the whole enactment clause. So you go on social media and mislead the entire 80 people that follow you.
My wisdom warriors, you see the Jamaica Labour Party, how wicked them is? You see that door? So how they come in a House of Parliament? How them change the clause already? Come and pass it. Them pass it, pass the bill in a House of Parliament. And Governor General not look pan it yet. It does not make no sense to me. If you tell us that them are lied, the whole of them are wicked, them are lied, my wisdom warriors. The Governor General shouldn't look at it before it pass in a Parliament. A first me ever. What kind of ramping chat business is this? What is really going on in our country? What is really happening in our country, my wisdom warriors? Are we going to sit down and allow these people to run for our life? Are we going to really do that? Hey, my wisdom warriors, how comes? Remember, I'm showing you know what? Let me pull it up again. My wisdom warriors, then come out in a House of Parliament, yeah, last week, and when them come out, this is what them change it. Them actually said them change it, my wisdom warriors. So them say them are lied. Them say they change the class. So the whole of them are lied because look, I'm looking at it. So what is this then? So how comes them are amend already and all these things, and Governor General not approve it yet? You see what go on Jamaica? Just take a look at my screen. Look, this act may be cited as the Constitution, Amendment of Section 61 Act 2024, and shall be read and construed as one with the Constitution of Jamaica and all amendments thereto. 2. Section 61 of the Constitution is amended. So you tell me, so they amend this and pass it, and Governor General not approve it. You see, so them are expose their own self, my wisdom warriors. So what them want now? They don't want Lambert. A Lambert name? Oh, Lord God, forgive me if me can't call his name properly. Yeah? So they don't want that gentleman now to expose it and say, no. That's why Tom Tavares has stopped him. Because they don't want Jamaican people know the truth. So how comes you not do all of this? You see? Me always tell you, Governor General mix up, and participate in a Andrew Holness administration, He is not being a Governor General, He not govern nothing, my wisdom warriors. Because, see, so how comes this Constitution amend everything in a hit? But yet, what he's looking at, it is not, I just don't get it. Remember, Tom Tavares just come out and say, change because Governor General not approve it. So how the hell you not amend it? Me box cover, hey, dangerous set of people, them, Dangerous set of people. Look at this, my wisdom warriors. 2 Section 61 of the Constitution is amended in subsection by deleting the words the Governor General for assent and substituting therefore the word Parliament. The words or a bill of an act to which Section 50 of this Constitution refers, and the words the Queen Most Excellent Majesty. You see what go on now in a House of Parliament? The whole of them are lied. And then Tom Tavares, what the man a try say, when Tom Tavares a talk about him post, the man a say a lie. So that's why the man called Tom Tavares a liar and he burn him. So I don't blame the man want finish, talk and explain himself and the man talk about no, like the Parliament of him. Like Jamaica will over Parliament to him. I say, you see some of them boy, man. You see some of them boy. Hey, they not have no respect to Jamaican people. No respect, my wisdom warriors. Jano, me I tell you, man. It burn me, It burn me. You know what? Take in more.
People that follow you, and you come here with it this morning.
So my wisdom warriors, when I see saying turn off your microphone, cause I don't want nobody hear the PNP. That little dark shit. That little shit house, Tom Tavares. Who the hell you think him is? Hear more. Just hear.
Senator Singh. With the greatest of respect, Mr. President. Mr. President, from my understanding of the role of the President of the Senate, he is supposed to be the mediator, the umpire, who is impartial and not participating in the debate in the Senate. That is why we have 20 members inside the chair, inside the Senate, to participate in that cut and thrust of the debate. The fact of the matter is that the President has to be that guiding hand that you have been doing, Mr. President, rather than interfering in the debate. Let Cavan Gale or Mr. Sinclair get involved in that. You know, so don't engage in that, Mr. President. You know,
What I'm engaging
you
in.
don't know better.
What?
You're a political.
What I'm in.
My wisdom warriors, you see the bangarang we are galang. You see how the GLP they move. You see that door. You see that. Me love how this man stand up, you know, and I deal with Tom Tavares, you know. He make Tom Tavares look like a fool, you know. He make Tom Tavares look like a some fool. Seriously. Because I do not know why mafia behave like that. But the thing is, just because they don't want Jamaican people to know the truth, them a hide things from with Jamaica and a full time we step up to the plate. These people are not good people for Jamaica. These people not have nothing about them. They are not credible. They are not credible, none at all. You can't imagine? You know what? Take in more.
No. I'm addressing Senator Morris. What do you mean no? No. I'm addressing Senator Morris's.
My wisdom warriors, you see how Tom Tavares rank and out of order. You see, saying I have no respect for the man. No respect whatsoever. They don't care. People like this, I represent we Jamaican. People like this a type of man, gangster type of people. I represent we the Jamaican. That's why, boy, Janu, if my wisdom warriors, I don't know what you say. We need to get them out of House of Parliament, you know. We need to vote out these people, man. Them people are not credible. Them people are not credible whatsoever. Take in more.
I'm addressing what Senator Morris had to say. Senator Morris, the difference that is happening here, you know, I'm not involving myself in a debate, you know. You are having a member who is speaking to the process of the Parliament and the Constitution. It's not a question open for debate. And I see on social media, I'm right it, you know.
That's not true. You're lying, President. You're lying.
And then now he's coming to say that you passed legislation last week, but yet still let the bills are not changed. The bill has not been assented to by the Governor General. And since you said that I'm a liar, right, I don't have an issue with that. So next speaker, because I'm not hearing you.
So my wisdom warriors, honestly say my liar for true. You have an issue with that. So honestly say my liar for true. So how comes them a pass bill and Governor General no look pan it? How comes them a pass bill in a House of Parliament and a amend this and a amend that and Governor General no approve it? So wait, so them pass the bill, then do everything already, amend it before Governor General look at, you know what? I really, arms house place this, you know? I really chaka government. Chaka government, including the Governor General too. Him chaka too, just like them. Because everything them say agree with them. Everything them say he agree with them. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, my people. Run go over to my other channel. It is called PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5,000 subscribers. Blessings upon blessings. One love.